Yeah, the suffering in campus is getting too much. I think I will need a sugar daddy. Yes, me too. I don't care if he has a wife, all I care about is the money. Chief, I would love to introduce my friends to you. Chief, these are my friends Lizzie, Betty, and Mabel.
Guys, me. I like the girl on white.
What are you doing with this Ashawo? She's young enough to be your daughter. Madam, I am not an Ashawo. Your husband likes me and I must eat his money. Not yours. Oh yeah, come and eat his money. Let me see gold digger.
This woman want to disgrace me. Let me run!
This entire movie was created with one AI tool, no camera, no actors, no editing experience. What if I told you that with just simple text prompts, you can create a full movie script, characters, scenes, and dialogue using Grok? You don't need to be a filmmaker, you don't need expensive software, and you don't need years of experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how creators are using Grok AI to write full movies from idea to final script in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a movie idea, turn it into a complete script, and prepare it for AI video generation. I'll even share the exact prompts I use, so you can copy, paste, and create your own movie today. So if you've ever dreamed of creating movies, animations, or viral YouTube films using AI, this video will change everything. Now let's get into the video.
Create a movie using Grok. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to come over to ChatGPT. So we need a title for our movie. For those of us that don't have title yet, so we need a title for our movie. So we're just going to tell ChatGPT, give me, I want to create a movie for my YouTube faceless channel. So I need ideas for the titles. So I'm just going to let ChatGPT create it, give me ideas for title, then I'm going to pick a good one from it. So you can see different titles here. This first one is She Was Poor but Her Destiny Was Rich. The boy everyone ignored became everything, born with nothing, choosing. So you can see different titles here. So if you have anyone that you like here, you can pick anyone. So if you don't have anyone that you like, you can just create yours. So I can just tell it I want a movie of female students in school dating rich married men. Let me just use campus so that they will know that I'm talking about adults. So give me a good title. So I'm just going to send this to ChatGPT and let it give me title that I can use. So these are the titles that he gave me. So ChatGPT gave me. I'm just going to select the one I want. The first one is The Price of Soft Life. The second one is Campus Girls Dangerous Choices. Behind the Luxury Lies, When Money Became the Teacher, The Cost of Comfortable Life. So you can just choose from any one of this one, but I think I prefer this one. I want the second one, Campus Girls Dangerous Choices. Campus, I choose Campus Girls Dangerous Choices. So I prefer this one. So I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT said Campus Girls Dangerous Choices is strong, emotional, and YouTube safe when handled wisely. why this title works. It's click worthy without being explicit. So I'm just going to tell it I'm just going to tell it write a full a full 20 to 30 minutes movie script. Then write a powerful first 60 seconds hook. Then the next one is I want you to create scene by scene AI image prompts. AI image prompts. So I'm just going to send this, then I'm going to wait for what ChatGPT is going to give to me. So these are the things that ChatGPT gave to me. So for powerful first 60 seconds hook, so you can see all the scripts. So these are all the scripts that they gave us. So we're still writing out the scripts. So like I said, this movie is going to be long. Now this is what we are looking for. Firstly, the image prompts that we are going to use. So we are going to be using all these image prompts. So I'm going to copy all these image prompts one after the other. So I'm going to copy them. I'm going to first of all copy 5 because I can only copy 5. Then I'll come back and copy the rest. Now I'm going to go over to Gemini. Then I'm going to start pasting the prompt here. So I'm going to send the first prompt to Gemini to see the result that it's going to give to me. So I'm just going to allow it to load. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to save this and then I'm going to give it the next prompt. So I'm going to give it the next prompt and I'm going to let it load. So this is how I'm just going to paste all the prompts, then I'm going to use it to generate images. Now I'm just going to save this, then paste the other ones. Now as you can see, I'll be creating different images for this video. So what you will do is to get consistent characters. You don't need to leave this page, you just have to continue from like where you stop. You drop the other prompts for the next picture so that you can get the same faces and the same characters. It doesn't need to change. So I continued creating the picture on my own because sometimes ChatGPT can give you a prompt that doesn't match. So the next thing I will do now is I want it to write that it took them out for shopping. So I will just say the guy took them to a shopping mall for new clothes. So I'm just going to allow it to load. This is how I'm going to be doing it. Don't forget that we have a story. So I'm just going to copy this. So Gemini is trying to write it for me in a proper way. So what I will do, for you not to give me something wrong, so I'll just use this picture, the picture that I just downloaded. I'll just say using this picture, because I still want the character to be the same. Then I'll copy that same thing, then I'll send it. So I'm just going to let it load. Now as you can see, it has given us picture, but this is not what the guy was wearing. So I'm just going to say the guy is wearing a black suit. The same guy above, the same guy in the picture above. So I'm just going to let it create it for me. So now you can see it has changed the guy's suit to a black suit. So I'm just going to save this, then I'm going to continue with it. So now I just finished creating all the pictures, so I'm just going to save the last picture. Then we are going to move over to Grok. So we're just going to be turning these pictures into a video to form our movie. So once I get over to Grok, what I'm just going to do is to come over here. So if you don't have an account with Grok before, so you can sign up with Grok, just come over here. Then you go to where your email is. Then all you just have to do is, you see this automatically generate videos for upload. You turn it off. Then you come over to this interface, then you click on this place that you saw image, this image icon. So you are just going to look for one image that you want to use. Let's just say I want to start from here, because I don't want this video to be too long. Let's just say I want to start from this one. I'm just going to delete this. Now you see where they wrote make videos. Click on make videos, then click on custom. Then you're just going to type anything that you want them to see. So you're just going to write the lady on pink, depending on the one that you want, the person you want it to be speaking in the video, you can just write it. So I want the lady on the pink short, on the pink short, says the suffering in this campus is getting too much. I think we need a sugar daddy. So once you are done writing that, you are just going to say in a female Nigerian voice. Don't forget to add this so that it will not give you anything. Nigerian voice. So you are just going to send this, then you are going to let it load.
Getting too much. I think I will need a sugar daddy. Yeah, the suffering in camp.
Now what I'm going to do is to download this one. I'm just going to come over here and download. Then I will not remove the picture. So I want the other guests to also say something. So I'm just going to delete this. Then I will say the lady on white says, yes, me too. I don't care if he has a wife. All I care about is the money. So I'm just going to send this, then I'm going to listen to it. So don't forget, you're not going to remove this picture because we are still using the same scene. So I'll just send this. And let me see what it's going to generate for us. So it's going to generate a different voice entirely, a different thing, different from the first one. So I'll just let it load.
Yes, me too. I don't care if he has a wife. All I care about is the money. Yes, me too.
So that's it for how to generate the video. So you are just going to download this one. So if you want others to also talk, you're just going to write it and say what you want them to say, then the dress that they are wearing, so that in case you want to be specific, you're also going to write it. So the next thing we are going to do now, I want a different scene. I want to create a different video with a different scene from the pictures that we generated. So I want to choose this one. Then I'll just go over to make a video. So I'm going to be using this scene for this video. Then I'll just write, the lady says, Chief, I will love to introduce my friends to you. Don't forget to add in a Nigerian female voice, because that's what we are using, depending on the voice that you want to use. So you're just going to send this, then you are going to let it load.
Chief, I would love to introduce my friends to you. Chief, I would love to introduce my friends to you.
So you're just going to download this. Then
Chief,
this is how you're going
I would love
create,
to introduce my friends.
This is how you're going to create other pictures. This is how you're going to use other pictures to create the videos. So the next thing you are going to do, once you are done creating your video, you are just going to come here and import all the videos to. You're just going to come over to Wink. You're going to come over to Wink. Then you are going to import all the videos one after the other to Wink. So you're just going to import all the videos, and you are going to play the video to see if it is what you want.
Yeah, the suffering in campus is getting too much. I think I will need a sugar daddy. Yes, me too. I don't care if he has a wife. All I care about is the money. Chief, I would love to introduce my friends to you. Chief, these are my friends Lizzie, Betty, and Mabel.
I like the girl on white.
Oh, what are you doing with this Ashawo? She's young enough to be your daughter. Oh, like, madam, I am not an Ashawo. Your husband likes me, and I must eat his money. Oh, yeah, come and eat his money. Let me see gold digger. This woman wants to disgrace me. Let me run.
So you see, if you have anything you are going to edit, you just click on edit. If you have any part that you want to cut out, you see that the last part, the women started laughing, so we don't want that part that they were laughing, so we're just going to cut that part out. You just click on cut, then you delete. Then once you are done, all you just have to do is to click on this good button, then you're going to save it. So it's going to save in few minutes. Now you can see it just saved to our photos. Now you can use this method to create up to 20 minutes video. So you are just going to make sure that you are consistent with the character, and you are careful with what you are giving to the either ChatGPT or Gemini, so that it doesn't create something different for you. So this is it for how to create full movie using Grok.
This is it for how to create AI movies using Grok. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in my next one.